Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Our today's topic is finding square root by division method. Suppose the given number is 729. 729 is the given number. So in the first step, first we make the pairs from the right hand side. Pairs of two numbers and the remaining number. Suppose the first pair is of 29 and the remaining number is 7. Now we use the numbers for dividing 7. It is 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9 is the bigger number. So we are using here the 2 2 is 9. So first 2 we write here and second 2 we write here. So it is 2 2 is 4. Then we subtract 4 from the 7. So the 3 is remaining. And now we take this pair down. So the new number is 329, and here we add the same number. If we are using 2 here, then we add the 2 here. 2 plus 2 gives the 4. Then the last digit is 9. So we are using here the next number, that is 7, because at the unit place we need 9. So we can use 3 3 ja 9 or 7 7 ja 49. In these two numbers at the unit place we have 9. So first we are trying to use the 43. Here we use the 3. So the new number is 43. Then 43 3 is it is 3 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12. It is 129 only. We need 329. So now we use 4 7 and then we multiply 7 7 is 49, 9 4 carry over, 7 4 is 28, 28 plus 4 329. So we use 3, we want 329, so we can use here the 7. So we write here 7 and here again we write the 7. Now it is 7 multiplied by 7 gives the 7 multiplied with 47 gives you the 329. Now 329 minus 329 gives you the 0, and here we add 7 as we add here the 2, because we are using here the 2, and in this case we use the 7 here, so we add 7. So by adding 7 in 47 we get the 54. Here we get the 27. It is the testing for our answer. It is right or wrong. Here 27, then the double of 27 is 54 here. If it comes, then our answer is right. The solution that we do here, that is the correct. And the answer of 729, square root of 729 is equal to 27. Now we are going to start the exercise 6.4. Question number 1. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. The first part is 2304. 2304. Now in solution we write square root of 2304 is equal to question mark. It means first we make the pair of 2304. The first pair it is 0 and 4, and the second pair is 2 and 3, 23. So now we are using the numbers 1 into 1 gives you the 1. It is the square of 1. Then 2 square, that is 2 into 2 gives you the 4. 3 square, 3 into 3 gives you the 9. 4 square, 4 into 4, that is 16. 5 square, that is 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 25 is bigger than 23, so we are using here the 4. So we write here 4, again here 4, 4 4s are 16. Then we subtract 16 from the 23. 13 minus 6 gives the 7, and 1 minus 1 gives nothing, that is 0. Then we take this pair as it is at the down, it is 0 4. Here we are using the number 4, so we add 4 in this 4, it gives us the 8. Then the ones place digit is here, that is 4. So at the ones place we need the 4, then we are using the number 4, because in 4 the number 2 in which the 4 comes at the unit place. So with the 8 we can write 8 2, that is 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. It is 164 only, but our number is 704. So what we do, then we are taking for the other numbers. Now it comes 4 at the unit place in which number, that is 6 square, 6 into 6 gives you the 36. 7 square, 7 into 7 gives the 49, and 8 square, it is 8 into 8, that is 64. So now we use 8 with the 8. This is the first 8, and then the second 8 with 8 we are using with this, and we are multiplying the new number 88 with the 8. 8 is the 64, 4 comes here, 6 carry over, 8 is the 64 plus 6 70, it is 704. It is the required number. So we are using here the 8. We write 8 here and 8 here. It gives us the 704. Then we subtract it. So finally what we get here, nothing, nothing, nothing. 4 minus 4, the 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 7, 0. And we add 8 here. 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carry over, 1 plus 8, 9, 96. Here the answer is 48, and double of 48 is 96. So finally we get the answer 48. This is our answer. We can write here the answer 48. The square root of 2304 is what? That is 48. The square root of 2304 is what? That is 48. This is our final answer. Now the next part 4, 529. The solution of this part is, we are going to derive the square root of 529, and that is unknown. So we write here 529 like this, and then we are going to make the pairs the first pair of 29 and the second is the 5 only. Now we are using the we are going to search the 5. It is 1, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, and the square of 3 is 9. The 9 is the bigger number, so the lesser number is 4. So we are going to use the 2. We write 2 here and 2 on the top. 2 to the 4. On subtracting 4 from the 5, we get 1. Then we take the next pair 29 at the bottom down. Now it is 129. Now we add 2 with this. 2 plus 2 gives the 4. So the new number is 4, and we are going to use one more number here for deriving the 129. The last unit place digit is 9. So here 9 comes in the 3. Square of 3 is 9. So we can use here the 3. So the new number is 43, and we are going to multiply 43 with the 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So it is 129. It is our required number 129. So we can write here 3 and 3. So when we multiply 43 by 3, the answer is 129. So we are using here, on subtracting 129 from the 129, nothing is remain. We are going to add the 3 in 43, it is 46. And as we know, it is the testing point. The double of 23 is 46. It means our answer is right. So in the answer we can write square root of 529 is equal to 23. This is our required answer.